Good morning, everyone. How are you? Can you all hear me now? Please raise hands if you can hear me. Can you hear my voice? Okay, thank you. Good morning. Sorry for being late. We are going today to discuss Unit 3 in Connect Plus. Last session, as you remember, we begin the same unit, Connect Plus Unit 3. We took it from the sheet. Today, we are going to take the same unit, but from the student's book. So please, everyone, open your student's book on page 30 and follow me, okay? So let's now begin Connect Plus, Unit 3, page 30. Okay, the title of this unit is What's on Your Plate? Again, what's on your plate? So by this, I mean what? I mean, what are the vitamins and the minerals inside your meal? Here, I want to know, and I want to measure what are the minerals and the vitamins that we put inside each meal we eat. As you see in the picture now, you can see lots of kinds of food. We are going to see what do we have or what are the vitamins contained inside each meal. So let's begin. Just a minute. Okay. We are going here to read the conversation between the boy and the girl. Let's read together and then we are going to explain the new words. Okay. I always have fruit and breakfast at breakfast, an apple or a banana. There are lots of vitamins in fruit, and there is fiber too. Do you like fruit, Hani? Here we can see she's asking Hani about what he likes inside his fruit. We are going to see what she's telling him what's included in her meal. So again, she said, I always have fruit at breakfast. What are the kinds of fruit that she likes? Yes, an apple or a banana. So she likes to eat apples and bananas. Let me remind you, why are the fruits important for our body? Do you remember? Yes, because they have vitamins and minerals. And we need all these vitamins and minerals to help us grow. So let's complete reading. There are lots of vitamins in fruits. If we eat lots of fruits, you will have vitamins inside your body. And there is fiber too. Do you remember the meaning of the word fiber? We took it before in the sheet. We said what? We said fibers are kinds of carbohydrates that the body does not digest. So again, we said that the fruits contain two elements, vitamins and fiber. Our body takes the vitamins and help us grow, and the fiber doesn't digest. So why are the fiber important for our body? Because it helps the vitamins and minerals to pass into our stomach. So then she asks her brother, do you like fruit, Hani? So what is Hani going to say? He said, yes, I do. But what are the vitamins? Why do we need them? Here, Hani is asking her sister, why are the vitamins important? What's the meaning of the word vitamins? So let's read box number 3 here. So she said, vitamins are nutrients in some foods. Here we have the word foods in the plural form because there are many kinds of food. So she said again, vitamins are nutrients in some foods. They are good for all parts of your body and they make you strong. Mom says we should eat lots of fruit to get the vitamins we need. So here, the sister is telling her brother, what does it mean, the word nutrients? And as we remember, we took the word nutrients before. Do you remember the food pyramid? We took it in the last session. We said that there is a food pyramid that tells us how much food and how much elements we take from each kind of food. We must know that, just a minute, we must know that all the elements of nutrients must be included in our meal to be healthy. So again, in the food pyramid, we said that we must eat small amount of fats and a balanced amount of fruits and vegetables and lots of carbohydrates. And we said before, because they give us energy and power. So let's go to box number 4. Honey is very happy here. He said, that's good because fruit is delicious. Here, Hani is very happy because he's going to eat lots of fruit. Why is he happy? Because the fruit is delicious. What does it mean, the word delicious? We took it before. The fruit is delicious. Do you know the meaning of delicious? Delicious means tasty. Yummy. It has a good taste. It tastes sugary. It tastes good. So the word tasty, it means has a good taste. So Hani is very happy and he said, that's good. Fruit is delicious. Are there vitamins in eggs? Can you answer this question? Are there vitamins in eggs? Yes, of course. His sister said, yes, there are vitamins in eggs. So again here, we have a conversation between a brother and the sister, and she is telling her brother the meaning of the word vitamins as we took it before in the sheet, and she is telling him the amount of food that must be inside his meal. Let's now complete. Go now to page 31. Now open your page 31 in your books and let's read the top of the page. We are going to read here at the top. We are on page 31. It's important to get a balance of the right kinds of food. Our bodies need lots of different nutrients, including vitamins and minerals, to work well and be healthy. This healthy eating plate is a good way to think about what we need. So, again, we said again, it's very important to get a balance of the right kind of food. What does it mean, balance? The word balance means the correct amount. You must eat the correct amount of each kind of food. I told you before, it's not a good thing to eat too much sweets or too much honey or sugar. And again, it's not healthy to eat too much fats and oil. This will be unhealthy. Okay? So again, you must eat a balanced kind of food. Why we must do this? Because our bodies need lots of different nutrients. Remember the food pyramid. We said before that you must stick to the food pyramid and say what are the correct amount of fats you want to eat, what are the correct amount of vitamins and nutrients and all the kinds of food. You must stick to the correct balance. Okay, if you have a look here at the very big plate here in your book, can you have a look at this very big plate? Okay, look at this amount of food, for example. Look at this one. You are going to find it has a green color. Can you read this word? Can you read slowly this word? Yes, it's the word vegetables. So this is the word vegetables. And as you can see here, you have lots of kinds of vegetables here. You can see cucumber, you can see carrots, you can see grapes, bananas, apples. So how can you describe this amount of food? It's a very large area of the plate. So this means what? Are you going to eat a small amount or a big amount of vegetables? Yes, it's a big amount. Look here. It's a very big amount of vegetables. Okay, let's read number 1. We should try to eat 5 to 7 pieces of fruit and vegetables a day. A day means each day. So each day you should eat 5, 7, 6, 7 pieces of fruits and vegetables. Why? There are lots of vitamins in fruits because they are full of vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin C. There is also fiber, okay? Sorry, I'm going to take this page again. There is also fiber. Fiber is very important in a healthy diet. I told you before in the sheet, if you are going to make a diet, of anybody wants to make a healthy style of food, he must eat lots of vegetables to have a good amount of fiber inside his body to be healthy. Let's go to the second part here. Can you read this one? Can you read this word? They are carbohydrates. Read it carefully. They are carbohydrates. So what are the kinds of carbohydrates that you can eat here? Can you see? Yes, we can see bread, we can see rice, we can see cereals, we can see flour. So these are carbohydrates. So can you see the amount of carbohydrates again here? Yes, it's a very big amount again. Look here, it's a very big amount. This means what? Let's read number 2 here. Let's read number 2. Carbohydrates give us energy. We can get these in bread, pasta, rice, and cereal. As we can see in the picture here, these are the kinds of carbohydrates that should be included, that we should have inside our meal. So now let's go to number 3, the pink part here. What do we call this? Can you read the word here down in the plate? Yes, they are proteins. Proteins. So what are the kinds of proteins that you know? You can see here in the picture, fish. You can see eggs. We can see beans. So let's read them. Number 3. We need protein to help us grow and to make our bodies strong. There is a problem. There is a protein in meat, fish, and eggs. So again, we can find the protein in fish, meat, and eggs. And why are the protein important? Yes, because they help us grow and make our body strong. Let's go to number 4. Can you see number 4? Number 4 is down here. And inside the plate, you can see number 4 here in the blue part. Can you see the blue part? Yes. Repeat after me the word dairy. Dairy. Repeat the word dairy. Do you remember what does it mean, dairy? We took it in the sheet before. Dairy, it means all the food that contains milk. All the food that contains milk. Like what? Like yogurt, like cheese, like milk. So let's read them. Let's read number 4 here. There is protein in a dairy foods, such as milk and cheese too. Dairy foods also give us vitamins and a mineral called calcium. Pay attention of the word calcium. We took it in the sheet and we said, what does it mean, the word calcium? Yes, it's a very important mineral. Our body needs a small amount of this element, which is the calcium. Hmm. Where can we find this calcium? We can find it in the dairy products, in the dairy food. We can find calcium in milk, cheese, and yogurt. So let's complete. Calcium is good for our bones. So why is the calcium important? Because it's good for our bones, heart, and muscles. So in order to have strong muscles, in order to have a good heart and strong bones, we must eat a correct amount of calcium. And where can we take the calcium? We can take it from the dairy food. And let's go to the last element inside our plate, which is, can you read the plate here? This is the small amount. Can you read it? The purple one? Yes, fats. Fats. Repeat after me again. Fats. So, where can we take the fats? Yes, we can take it from the oil and the butter. Look at the picture here, the oil and the butter. So let's read the last thing here. Number 5, we need some fats too because they give us energy and help us absorb some important vitamins. Do you remember the word absorb? What does it mean, absorb? Hmm. Absorb means to take it inside our body. So again, the fats are very important. Why? Because they give us energy and helps us absorb some important vitamins. Okay? So they are healthy fats and oil, such as the olive oil. The olive oil, it's a very important and healthy kind of fats. And also the butter is very important. Okay, thank you very much. Next session, inshallah, we are going to complete our session. Sorry for being late. Next session, inshallah, I'm going to tell you the new time, and you are going to follow me and complete our session. Okay, thank you, everyone. Goodbye.